Websites come in various forms, each serving unique purposes. Business websites establish a brand's online presence. Portfolio sites showcase creative work. E-commerce platforms facilitate online sales. Landing pages focus on specific marketing campaigns. Each type is strategically designed to meet distinct business goals and user needs, shaping brand identity and enhancing user experience. Understanding the massive digital landscape, nearly 2 billion websites exist, yet only a few core types effectively serve distinct business goals and user needs. Choosing the right website type is crucial as it shapes your brand identity, user experience, and overall success. We'll explore 4 essential website types with real-world examples and practical insights. Business websites are the digital headquarters for companies, showcasing products, services, and unique value propositions. Essential features include interactive maps, contact forms, and customer relationship management integration. Investment ranges from $10 to $100 plus monthly, influenced by complexity and customization. Popular platforms include WordPress for flexibility, Wix for beginners, Squarespace for design, and PageCloud for visual building. McDonald's website exemplifies intuitive navigation with a clear menu structure, including menu, rewards program, and location finder. Its mobile-first design ensures a responsive layout and powerful search functionality for easy access to products and nutritional information. The site strategically balances brand storytelling with practical information, effectively converting casual visitors into paying customers. Portfolio websites are essential for artists, photographers, and designers to showcase their work. They feature beautiful galleries, seamless social media integration, and lead capture forms. With costs ranging from free to $30 per month, platforms like Squarespace, Wix, Portfolio Box, and PageCloud offer customizable templates and advanced design control, making them accessible for all creatives. Adam Bird Photography exemplifies a portfolio website with a captivating first impression, featuring a unique logo and intuitive drop-down menu. It emphasizes visual storytelling, allowing the photography to speak for itself. Effortless navigation organizes work samples by category, and it functions as a digital resume, attracting commercial clients and potential employers. E-commerce websites are designed for seamless online transactions, featuring high-quality product images, detailed descriptions, and customer reviews. Essential components include secure checkout, shopping cart functionality, and inventory management. Investment ranges from $30 to $300 plus monthly, influenced by scale and features. Leading platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Squarespace offer diverse solutions. The Spice Suite exemplifies how vibrant colors and the founder's personal story foster emotional connections with customers. Its intuitive product filtering and secure payment options ensure seamless shopping. Authentic brand storytelling enhances sales, proving that engaging narratives, combined with quality product display and pricing, are powerful tools in e-commerce success. Landing pages are designed for focused conversions, often featuring a single-purpose layout to drive actions like sign-ups or sales. They're essential for marketing campaigns, product launches, and lead capture, utilizing direct messaging and strategic calls to action. Platforms like Unbounce and Wix make them quick and cost-effective to deploy. A product launch landing page should feature a magnetic headline that captures attention instantly. Highlight concise benefits with bullet points for quick comprehension. Incorporate social proof like testimonials and trust badges to build credibility. Ensure a prominent call to action button, such as Buy Now, is strategically placed. Maintain zero distractions by minimizing navigation to enhance conversion rates. Business sites are multi-purpose, information-rich platforms serving diverse audience needs. Portfolio sites focus on visual storytelling and personal branding. E-commerce sites are product-centric, facilitating online transactions and inventory management. Landing pages are single-goal focused, optimized for high conversion rates and specific campaign objectives. WordPress offers unmatched customization for complex sites and e-commerce, powering over 40% of the web. Squarespace excels in visually stunning templates for portfolios and small businesses. Shopify is ideal for scalable e-commerce with robust management tools. Wix and Page Cloud provide user-friendly drag-and-drop builders, perfect for beginners seeking creative control without coding. Free plans often come with limitations like platform branding and subdomains, which can appear less professional. Paid plans offer custom domains, advanced features, and e-commerce capabilities. Regular updates, security patches, and performance optimization are essential for maintaining user trust and ensuring long-term success. Business websites establish brand presence with multiple pages and contact forms, ideal for companies. Portfolio sites showcase creative work through galleries, perfect for artists. E-commerce sites facilitate online sales with shopping carts and payment processing, suited for retailers. Landing pages drive specific actions with clear calls to action, essential for campaigns and lead generation. Define your website's primary goal to guide every decision. Match your platform to your purpose for authentic engagement. A well-chosen website type is the foundation for online success and growth. Explore tailored templates and tools to bring your online vision to life.